Got a new customer carrier unit looking for a maintenance. 5ASTA090, serial number 24138223955. And this looks like a 71,000, well, it's 88, but the output's 71,000 BTUs. All right, we're going to pull the burners out and inspect everything. Check the flame sensor, clean all the dust and everything out of there. Looks like it's some residue. Huh, very interesting. Like, where does this, and this? So, very interesting setup. I'm gonna do some cleaning. Take the burners out and shut the gas. Maybe check the gas pressure. Yeah. Oh, the good thing is the union's right here. Shut off the power. Check the blower. Check the filter. So. You know, let's check the flame sensor. Don't look too bad, but we'll clean it. Huh. This is a good one or a bad one? Looks like it's a good fuse. Huh, extra. All right. There's a lot of like sand buildup in this thing. Like, look at all that. Very interesting. Someone put an extra screw there out of nowhere. Alright. Must have had a problem with the switch. Filter's clean. Let's check the blower wheel. Blower wheel looks clean. Blower wheel looks clean. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Oh, someone got some paperwork in there. Man. I wonder how long this paperwork has been in there. Huh. Very interesting. So, that doesn't look bad. You got blue and green. Blue and green. Use the wrench that we're using to pull this wire out. Okay. It's the gas valve. It's unhooked. scissors. Okay. Now we can unhook this screw. Unhook this screw. And that screw is very important because that's the ground for all the low voltage. Now we should be able to pop this thing out. This thing out. There it is. Make sure the orifices are clean. Now, check this igniter. There's the igniter. Smell a lot of the gas, but it's alright. Let's see how we take this out. There it is. It just slides out. Okay. Looks a little rusty. Gotta clean that up. Let's see. I don't see any cracks. I don't see anything in there crazy. So I do want to take this flue out though. Make sure this tube is clean. There's nothing there. Make sure this switch is upright like that. Must have got pushed. Okay. That's good. That's the high voltage there. This is, I don't remember what this is. I have to look. Let's see what that is. Fan. So it tells temperature. Yep. It's the temperature for the flue. This one, these three look clean. This one looks a little bit more rusty. I should have bought a vacuum in here. Vacuum and some rugs. Put the burners in. This gives us 48 ohms as igniter is good. We got the in and the out wired in to our fill piece manometer. Now let's see what we can do about this vent, because there was a lot of stuff. Because all this stuff right here, all that stuff came from the vent. 100%. We just gotta figure out why. Look at all that. Very interesting. Very interesting. Well, first things first, let's just clean it out. Let's clean it out and go from there. But yeah, that ain't good. I guess that's just a sensor, so we gotta make sure that sensor works. I'll be back. That's oil leaking off. That ain't good. See? It's oil leaking out of it. 7. 7.5, that's good. Put that back. Only other thing is that's oil. See that residue right there? That blower motor, I think, is going bad. But it's working. Those are welded into. Alright, we're getting ready to test this unit out. We're gonna check the amperage on the motor because of all the oil that was originally there. And then check the gas pressure. Gas pressure inlet is 6.72, which is based on the manufacturer. It says at least 4.5, not exceed 14 inches. But it says once we dial down, they want to be between 3.2 and 3.8. So let's see if we can get that and make sure everything is running like how it's supposed to be. So right now I got it jumped. So as soon as I hit this unit should kick on. Thermostat is calling for cool. I'm gonna turn that off.
Some independent voters in that regard. Time will tell, but I can assure you, Andrea, that the line has really not died down here at this Dallas polling location, and we do not anticipate it to do so for some time. Should the Democrats win this race in Texas, as you mentioned, it would be the first time they've elected someone to a statewide office.
So I turned the thermostat. I'm gonna link this tool also. Put this back on the blue. voltmeter in there. I'm gonna jump to watt. I'll put this in there. We got user fan motor running. Igniter light up. Probably just air. Should have purged it, but it's fine. Gonna start back up again. It's just air that was introduced in there. The second time go around, it should light up. There it goes. Air's purged out. Going across there. Going across there. Gas valve 6 and 3.69. So not set manifold less than 3.2 or pressure more than 3.8 for natural gas at sea level. And you can also see it right there. Right now it's at 3.7. That means it's a good place. It's blowing hot. That's good. Rhino works. That is good. Now let's check the blower motor. Blower motor is at 4.59. That's not too bad. Let's see what happens when I transfer the code. So even with that running like that, that's fine. So on heat, it's on a blue wire. It's 5 minutes. Looks like it will be fine. But sooner or later, that blower motor's gonna go bad. Last thing to do is gotta check combustion analysis. I'm gonna drill a hole first, go from there. So right now we have 3.2. I opened the gas valve a little bit, adjusted it. We're at 3.2 right now. So exactly, you know what the manufacturer specs. 3.2. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Now that one looks better. better. It's less CO than what it was earlier. Earlier it was like in the 50s. So now it's running a little bit better. You can see the efficiency has gone higher. So I like that a lot better. 3.2, not too much. 24 parts per million. And I think this will wrap it up for this maintenance. This is it. Thank you for watching.